Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today, I'm gonna go over the A&A valve, the old A&A valve that actually had these acrylic balls inside of it. Keep watching. And we're back. So old A&A valves had these acrylic balls. They were cool in theory. Actually, non-really breakable parts. They kind of wore down and broke if you had bad water chemistry. However, so today we're gonna go over your options on if you have this style gear kit and if you can upgrade or what you can do to upgrade. So yeah, let's dive in. So first, let me show you what it's all about. The gear kit actually looks a lot like all the other gear kits that A&A has. However, the bottom of it had this style cam and these acrylic balls in the bottom of it. So theoretically, when this thing turned, it would lift these balls up so water can actually get down in there. It was an okay design when it came out with, but right now it's not the best design because it kind of lets more than one port open always at a time. So you can either rebuild it. We have the gear kits here that it's a swap in, swap out method. The part number is 522917, and it's the exact same gear kit you see here. It'll go in, go out. But however, if you break an acrylic ball, lose one, whatever happens, you know, then you're in a weird situation. So now what you have to do is you either have to install the upgrade kit, and check out our video again below. We have a video on how to upgrade your kit to a glue-in flap style. And what you end up doing is you take these flaps and you glue them in here and you get rid of these acrylic balls altogether. It's a whole new gear kit that goes inside there. But the best thing you can do is you can cut this valve out and do a push-in style flap assembly. So right here, this is the new difference. So these black valves are push-in styles. So what it is A&A actually notched all these on the sides of the gear kit here, and they pushed in these flaps, and it actually has like almost a perfect seal. So which allows all the water to go to the one port that it's supposed to go to. It's a really good design. And honestly, if this was my gear kit, if you guys had a ball kit, I would cut it out and put this flap style in. It's just a lot better of a solution than just putting a gear kit in and just keep kind of band-aiding your system. So again, the options here, we have the gear kit that you can just swap in, swap out if you're happy with your ball system, or you can upgrade to the push-in style flaps. Highly recommend push-in style flaps. So again, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today we discussed how to change your balls or what to do with the ball assembly to the push-in style flaps or the glue-in style flaps. Check out the links below. We have links for everything that you're gonna need if you have this older style valve. So again, thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.